And President Aquino hopes that popular Manila tour guide and RH advocate Carlos Saldran will be forgiven by Catholic bishops out of Christian generosity. Saldran was earlier found guilty by the Manila Metropolitan Trial Court of offending religious feelings for disrupting an ecumenical service at the Manila Cathedral in September 2010. Saldran was protesting against the Catholic Church's opposition to the then Reproductive Health Bill. The court sentenced Saldran to spend between 2 months and 1 year in jail. The president sympathized with Saldran but did not agree with the tour guide's anti-church protest.
I may sympathize with Mr. Saldran's position. Perhaps yung methodology during a mass, baka we don't agree with it. At the same time, siguro kung tutularan ng ating kaparian, ating mga religious, yung ehemplo mismo ng Papa at maraming Papa, palagi ko lalabas naman yung generosity and charity. At baka naman mapatawad naman nila si Ginoong Saldran para naman pwede tayo umusad mula doon sa panahon na yan.
Sir, pero wala po tayong gagawin dun sa issue kung sakali baka magkaroon kasi siya ng implications in the future.
Tingnan natin, pero tingnan ko muna lahat ng detalye. Again, I saw it in the papers. I haven't had the occasion to read the decision. I'm not afforded decisions before they are promulgated. So we have to secure the copy and see in common and see if there are implications. Siyempre may constitutional provision on freedom of speech, pero yung rights natin, may limitations rin naman na kung anong pwede natin sabihin, kung saan angkop na sabihin.
Thank you, sir.